I gave myself 7 days to find out something most people never actually test. I risked my time on 5 side hustles everyone is talking about online. And only one surprised me enough to change how I think about making money online forever. Not because it was easy. Not because it was fast. But because everything I thought I knew about making money online turned out to be completely different when I actually tested it myself. Every day online, you hear the same promises. Make money fast. Easy side hustles. Earn online in minutes. But I wanted to know something deeper than that. I wanted to know what actually works when you are starting from zero. No audience. No money. No experience. Just your phone and your time. So I picked 5 of the most popular side hustles online and decided to test them one by one in real time. And I tracked everything honestly. Every failure. Every disappointment. Every small result. And even the moments where nothing happened at all. What happened next completely changed how I look at making money online. Because only one of them actually gave me a real result. Let me take you through everything step by step. Why I did this experiment. Before I started, I noticed something interesting happening online. Everywhere I looked, people were talking about side hustles. On YouTube. On TikTok. On Facebook. On Instagram. Everyone was claiming they had found the easiest way to make money online. Some said affiliate marketing is the fastest. Some said freelancing is the most stable. Some said surveys are easy money. Some said content creation can change your life overnight. But the problem is, nobody was actually showing what happens when you start from zero. No audience. No skills. No reputation. So I decided to become the test subject. Not a viewer. Not a theorist. But someone who actually tries everything and documents the truth. And I set one simple goal. Find out which side hustle actually works for beginners in 2026. The rules of the experiment. To make this test fair, I created strict rules. Rule number 1. I could only use my phone. No laptop. No paid software. No external help. Rule number 2. I only had 7 days total. Each side hustle had to be tested quickly without long waiting periods. Rule number 3. I had to document everything honestly. Even failures. Even boredom. Even frustration. Rule number 4. I was not allowed to skip any side hustle. Even if it looked like it was not working. The goal was not to succeed quickly. The goal was to find truth. Side hustle number 1, affiliate marketing, failure. I started with affiliate marketing. This is one of the most talked about side hustles online. The idea is simple. You promote a product using a link. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. So I created an account on ClickBank and started browsing products. I chose one that looked promising and copied my affiliate link. Then I started posting it everywhere I could think of. WhatsApp status, Facebook groups, even comment sections where I thought people might be interested. At first, I was very confident. I thought this might be the fastest way to make money. I remember checking my phone constantly, refreshing the dashboard, waiting for something to happen. But reality was very different. Day 1 passed. Nothing. No clicks. No engagement. Day 2 passed. Still nothing. By day 3, I started checking my dashboard more than 10 times a day. Not because I expected results, but because I was hoping something would change. But it never did. 0 clicks. 0 sales. 0 income. And that's when it hit me. Affiliate marketing is not just about sharing links. It requires something I did not have. Traffic. Trust. And an audience that already believes you. Without that, nothing moves. So I moved on. Side hustle number 2, freelancing, slow start. The second side hustle was freelancing. This one felt more realistic because almost everyone talks about it online. The idea is simple. Offer a service online and get paid for it. So I went on Fiverr and created a simple profile using my phone. No reviews. No experience. No past clients. Just a basic profile and hope. I listed simple services I thought I could do as a beginner. Then I started sending offers and waiting. Day 1 passed. Nothing. Day 2 passed. Still nothing. On day 3, I finally saw something. A single profile view. Not a client. Not money. Just a view. But even that small moment gave me hope. So I kept going. I adjusted my profile. I changed my description. I tried improving everything I could. But I started noticing something important. Freelancing does work. But it is not fast. It requires patience. It requires skill. And most importantly, it requires time to build trust. For a beginner starting from zero, that waiting period can feel very long. So I moved on again. Side hustle number 3, online surveys, disappointing results. The third side hustle was online surveys. This one looked like the easiest option of all. No skills. No setup. Just answer questions and earn money. So I downloaded a few apps and started testing them. At first, it felt extremely simple. Click. Answer. Submit. Repeat. But after a while, I noticed something frustrating. The time spent was not equal to the reward. I could spend 30 minutes answering questions and earn almost nothing. Sometimes I would complete everything and still get disqualified. Other times, I would finish surveys and earn very small rewards that did not feel worth it. That is when I understood something clearly. These apps are not designed to make you rich. They are designed to pay small amounts for attention. So I stopped wasting time on it. Mid-experiment moment. At this point, I had tested 3 side hustles. And honestly, none of them were giving me anything meaningful. I started questioning everything I had seen online. Maybe this was all exaggerated. Maybe making money online is harder than people say. But I still had 2 more side hustles left. And something told me the real answer was still ahead. So I continued. Side hustle number 4, content reposting, slow growth. The fourth side hustle was content reposting. This is very popular online right now. You post short videos or repost content and try to grow views. So I started uploading consistently. At first, nothing happened. Just a few views. It felt like nobody was watching. But I kept going. Day after day, I uploaded more content. Then slowly, things started to change. Some videos started getting 100 views. Then 200. Then 500. For the first time in this experiment, I saw growth. But there was still a problem. Views were increasing. But money was not. And that made something very clear to me. Attention alone is not income. You need a system that converts attention into money. So I moved on to the final test. Side hustle number 5, digital product selling, winner. The final side hustle was digital product selling. This was the one I almost ignored at first. Because it sounded complicated. But I decided to try anyway. I created a simple digital guide using my phone. Nothing fancy. Just something useful people could download. I uploaded it and shared it online. At first, nothing happened. Just like everything else. But then something changed. I checked my phone. And I saw it. Someone had actually bought it. It was small. But it was real. And that moment changed everything. Because for the first time in this entire experiment, I realized something important. This is not about luck. This is about systems. And this side hustle had something the others did not. Scalability. What I learned. After testing all 5 side hustles, I started thinking deeply about everything I experienced. And I came to a few important conclusions. Not all side hustles are beginner-friendly. Some require time. Some require skills. Some require audience. Speed matters more than people realize. If something takes too long to show results, most beginners quit too early. And most importantly, people do not fail because they are lazy. They fail because they choose the wrong starting point. There is no magic system. Only systems that match your current level. Final message. If you are just starting your journey to make money online, do not try everything at once. Pick one simple method. Focus on it. Learn it properly. And stay consistent long enough to see real results. Because success in side hustles is not about trying everything. It is about finding what actually works for you and sticking with it. If you want me to test more side hustles like this, subscribe to the channel. And comment part 2 if you want me to continue this experiment with 5 new methods.